Hey, Archie is sitting out here in the rain, and this is actually Tropical Depression Helene, and he doesn't like it much. He's getting wet, and the wind's blowing everywhere. So he's pretty depressed about it. Hey, Arch. So he's just kind of sitting there pouting, and I'm getting soaking wet. Um, so yeah, he's mad about this weather. He said, "I wish I was back in Africa because we didn't have tropical depressions or hurricanes." So, Arch, I'll tell you what, it's gonna get warmer in the next couple of days, I promise. And in the meantime, there's no point in pouting. Pouting does not do any good. Alright? So get out of the rain. See you later.